explaining risk settings in trading bots. To make sure your bot runs safely in proportion to your account balance, this video will walk you through how to set it up step by step. Go to My Subscriptions, then select your robot. Click on View, then Edit. You'll find a tab called Risk with two important fields. Risk type, always keep this set to lot multiplier. Multiplier, this is the one we need to calculate carefully based on your account balance. How do we calculate the lot multiplier? If you go to Expert Advisors, you will find a column called Minimum Deposit. That's the minimum recommended deposit, and that's what we will use to calculate our multiplier. Let's assume, for example, that the FX Smart Hedge robot has a minimum deposit of $10,000. And let's assume your account has $10,000. To match the bot's risk level exactly, we divide 10,000 by 10,000. This would get us a result of 1, and thus we set the multiplier to 1. That way, if the bot opens a position of a certain size, your account will open a position with the exact same size. If it opens a 1-lot trade, your account will open a 1-lot trade. You're now trading with the same exact ratio of the robot. A few quick examples. From this table, we can see some examples for the recommended multiplier in coherence to your account relative to a 10,000 minimum deposit robot. If the robot's minimum deposit is 10,000 and your account has 5,000, we divide 5,000 by 10,000 and the result would be 0.5 for our multiplier. If it's 10,000 and 10,000, it's 1. If it's 20,000 and 10,000, then we divide your account, which is 20,000 over 10,000, and the result would be 2 for the multiplier. Can I deposit less than the minimum and just lower my lot multiplier? Yes, but be very careful here. Note that the smallest position size that can be opened on most platforms is 0.01 lot. If your account is very small, $1,000, compared to a robot with a 10,000 minimum deposit, in coherence to the explained lot multiplier, you would set your multiplier accordingly, which would be 0.1 calculated by simply dividing 1,000 over 10,000, resulting in 0.1. The main problem is that the account will not be able to open a position smaller than 0.01 lot due to platform's limitations, and that could make the trade size larger than it should be for your balance, which means high risk. For example, if the robot opens a 0.01 lot trade, your account should ideally open a 0.001 lot trade. But since the minimum allowed is 0.01, your account ends up opening 10 times the intended size, which seriously increases risk. That is why we always recommend sticking to the bot's recommended minimum deposit. And instead of trying to go below that and adjusting the multiplier down, it's better to pick a bot that matches or is smaller than your account size, because in that case you can simply increase the multiplier safely. Okay, what if you have a small account like $200? No worries, we have got cent account bots designed for small balances. You can start with those comfortably on a cent account for sure. Thank you and welcome to the Tego family.